Now, after weeks of uncertainty, the IIT admission row seems to have been resolved. This at a meeting of the IIT Council. Now, as per the new formula, the Class 12 board marks will not be counted for getting into IITs. Now, it has also been decided that the main test and the advanced test will not be held on the very same day. Now, this was a major point of contention between the IITs and the HRD Minister Kapil Sibal. Ume Kulsum has more.
Well, it's a long story that was being scripted over 2 years. It was meant to be co-authored, but finally when it was out, it's only got one author as the signature, and that's the IITs. Now, the HRD minister skipped a crucial meet of a body that he heads, that's the IIT Council. But remember, they were meeting to resolve that impasse. In a certain sense, that impasse is gone. But what we see is an angry HRD minister who refused to speak to the press, who even refused to address the IIT Council that he heads. Now, there could be two reasons. One, he's really embarrassed to face all the people who've been dissenting against him, and actually to a compromise formula that he had to give in on most of the points. So on the second thing, he probably skipped this meet just to avoid this entire fiasco that it's Mr. Sibal versus the IITs. So he said, I'm going to keep out, let the entire IIT Council without me announce this. So now if we look at what the compromise formula was, well, remember it was discussed last week at the IIT directors meet, so they were on board, they know what was coming. The new format is going to be implemented in 2013, something that Mr. Sibal wanted. Now, the other things that the IITs had opposed, they've actually got. In terms of they didn't want the board marks to be considered, that they've got. They wanted to conduct the IIT advanced test all by themselves, that they've got. And thirdly, they didn't want the main test and the advanced test to be held on the same day. They've got that. Now, there is a bit of a compromise between Mr. Sibal and the IITs when it comes to that percentile. Now, top 20% of the state board scorers are the ones who are going to really make it to the IITs. Is there anybody losing here? It is the students, because currently somebody who gets about 60% can think of going to the IITs. Now, if you look at the calculations they've got for three boards, that's the CBSE and Tamil Nadu, they say 78% is the minimum. So anyone scoring below that cannot dream of going into the IITs. And for the UP board, they say it's at 65. So now these percentiles are yet to be finalized, and that might happen next week. Now, what happens to this compromise formula? Is it the end of the story? Well, from here, from the IIT Council, this proposal goes to the Joint Admission Board that decides on the admissions of and the tests of the IITs, and from there it goes to the Senate. Well, remember, Senates have been highly vocal against this proposal, but as of now, from what we hear, the Senates are pretty okay with this. So, but then if there is a dissent, I'm here reporting for more on that.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.